In today's episode, we'll test GoPro 9 battery life, and it also has an Osmo, so we'll do it also in the background. Anyway, I will use most common settings, which is 4K 30 frames per second with the liner, stabilization on, GPS and Wi-Fi. 99% of the battery, can you see this? Maybe like this. Okay, 99%. Yeah, screen is just too bright and the camera, you get it. Now let's hit the Osmo. 97%. So just do it. 3, 2, 1, go, and start the timer. It doesn't have to be super accurate. It just, yeah, we'll see how well this will perform. And of course, we'll check the temperatures. Now it's okay. Turn on. The table is 22 degrees Celsius. Osmo is 27 already. Screen 27. And 27 for GoPro. After 20 minutes, let's check temperatures. This is in Celsius, of course. 35, 39. The front screen is will be mostly hot. 41. And GoPro 44. What about the top? 48 on see right there. What about battery in 20 minutes? How much battery you have? 77%. And there's no indicator on the Osmo. I don't know why. It's ridiculous. That's 77%. That's good. What do you mean it's too slow? Osmo? You're killing me. You're just killing me. It's a brand new Samsung memory card. Look. Read and write speeds. It's definitely suitable for 4K. It has even 4K on the box. Right. So what do we have? How much time do we have? Okay, 57 minutes. 40%. That's really, really good. Do the overheat issue. GoPro just turned off by itself. Well, I managed to, let's see how much recording do we get. 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, and it's turned off because of the overheating issue. There's a little bit of battery left, so let's try it again and see how much footage can we get. GoPro turn off again after 10 minutes of footage. So 1 hour 25 minutes of footage with 4K 30 frames per second, both screens, Wi-Fi, GPS, everything turned on. It's a really, really good score with those new big improved batteries. I like it. I like it a lot. You know what we need? Wireless microphone for GoPro. Wow, this will be insane. Wi-Fi microphone. I wonder why they never release a feature like that. Wireless microphone. Insane. Very nice. Thanks for watching and goodbye.